say, hey, does it make sense to become partners? Or
Yeah.
does it make sense to sign the order form? And it takes all the pressure off of me. I have 100% bullet coverage here. I have no hesitation of asking, and then I deflect based upon what they say. Sometimes they say yes, and that's when you say, congratulations, you made a great decision, and off we go. But honestly, it's very big.
And you're not asking them to do anything. When you ask somebody if something makes sense, you're not asking them to do anything. Which is why there's a big difference between, hey, yo, love seeing you here at Pilates. You want to have lunch sometime? Right? That's creepy a little bit. That's forceful, right? But hey, I love seeing you here at Pilates. Does it make sense for you and I to have lunch sometime? There's no harm in asking that. Hey, Mom, I'm going to the mall with my friends. Does it make sense to give me 20 bucks? No. Got it. We're going to eat lunch. What's a good next step then? Well, can you pack a lunch? They frown on that at the food court. Mom, bring in your own food. Just let me give you 15. Is that enough? Sure, Mom. Thank you so much. Right? Like, don't teach your kids, does it make sense? Because it's a logical way to go through your life. It's a non-pushy, non-manipulative, non-forceful way to go through your life. But here's the difference. You're going through your life versus being a great sales consultant and hoping for the best. Being a good kid and hoping for the best. Hope is not a strategy at all in life. So just simply ask them if it makes sense. If you hear anything other than, yeah, absolutely, you just say, cool, I got it. What's a good next step? Right? If they still don't know, what's a good next step for me? If they still don't know, then at that point, you've asked them globally, what's a good next step? They didn't know. You asked them, what's a good next step on my end? They didn't know. Now you've entered the territory where you're perfectly within reason to set a next step. I'll call you Friday if I haven't heard from you before then. I'll call you next month if I haven't heard from you before then. And you can make any statement, you can set any next step if you just put these two words at the end of it. Fair enough? Right? One is forceful, the other is fair. Fair enough, right? I love it. I love it. Who else has got one?